Afghanistan. They have been there for years now. Their contact with the Taliban has been very good. And it is one of their strongholds within Afghanistan. So therefore, I suspect that this missile attack has been carried out by the ISIS coalition, and this probably has been done as a revenge to the drone attack which was carried out yesterday. And we have heard from President Biden last night that they were expecting an attack within 24 to 36 hours, which has come very true. And they are CIA, which is probably the military intelligence of America, is getting this information through Taliban now, because Taliban knows their ways of working, their hideouts and their strongholds. And Taliban and ISIS-K is not on good terms now, because ISIS-K feels that Taliban is not very well radicalized. Their version of jihad is different. They are calling the Taliban as the puppets of Americans. And also they are calling that this is not jihad, what they have done in Doha and Qatar. It is actually a bargain.
Commodore GJ Singh, sorry to interrupt you, but we are just getting some more updates from the ground, and I would like to read that out for our viewers. As per a news agency in Afghanistan, the primary report suggests that 2 people have been killed and 3 others have been injured when a rocket hit a residential house in Kabul's 11th security district. Witnesses say children and women are among the victims there. Near the Kabul airport, where this possible rocket attack has taken place. Commodore GJ Singh, what do you have to say on that?
See, this is a stray missile. This is not a very precisely guided missile. They do not have that sophisticated equipment. I was telling before that it is most likely the ISIS Khorasan which has carried out this missile attack, because they have got the crude, systems. This has fallen on a residential area because their probably targeting or aiming was not very accurate, and therefore it fell in the residential area, causing so much of damage. But their real intent must have been the airport. Their real intention and target must have been the area where the United States troops are, because they are in on the end of leaving Afghanistan. They are on the probably last few hours left for them, a day maximum for them to leave, and they want to carry out maximum damage and harm to the Americans now, to show them that they are back in the game. They have not lost. Otherwise, America was claiming that they have wiped out this ISIS and all that in Syria and Iraq, and had caused a lot of damage to them in that area, in that province, during Trump's time. And they were waiting for an opportunity like this to, retaliate and cause damage to the American interests. So therefore, this is, to my mind, is very clear that this has been carried out by these jihadists. That is why they couldn't carry it out so precisely. It has fallen into residential area, which would not have been their actual intent. They actually must have aimed it at the airport. So this vicious cycle will continue now. You will find them, attacking them in again and again, because till these people leave from there, they will probably cause much more damage than expected. And this is really something which the world has to worry about, because the Taliban, the Afghanistan, is again going to become a hotbed for the international terrorism. This is an incubator for these future international terrorism. This is a new challenge which has emerged now for the whole NATO and the world, because this is something which we just cannot ignore. And their hold in Afghanistan is very strong. on the Taliban. They are once upon a time, like the right and the left hand of the same body. Only difference is they are not saying that the Taliban is not that hardliner. It is only a variation in the degree of their hardliner which separates them. Otherwise, ideology, everything remains the same.
Yes, thank you very much, Commodore GJ Singh, for joining us on this breaking news broadcast as we continue to get the latest videos and latest information for our viewers from Kabul. What we can tell our viewers is that as per an Afghanistan news agency right now, 2 people have been killed in the possible rocket attack, while 3 people have been injured. These are very initial information that we are getting right now. What we also know is that women and children could be the victims in this attack. What certain more reports are saying, some eyewitnesses also telling some news agencies is that a rocket was fired near Kabul airport in Afghanistan, where the US-led evacuation flights were continuing but failed to hit the target. Now, this is what some local reports are saying, citing eyewitnesses. The rocket has unfortunately hit a residential area. So, as per certain local reports, the intended target was the Kabul airport, but it has hit the residential area near the Kabul airport, probably 3 kilometers away from the Kabul airport.